Good morning. Thanks everyone for joining the Data Science Salon here at Seattle. Today I'm going to talk about my research on impact of AI on e-commerce. Love it or hate it, artificial intelligence, AI, has become the talk of the town. Whether it's the uproar surrounding the ChatGPT or AI's burgeoning battalion of use cases, from neonatal intensive care to predicting the next food crisis. The technology hawks its fair share of the headlines, especially in regards to AI website builders. But there is one industry in particular where AI is changing the game for the better. And yes, without any controversy, we are talking about e commerce. Before we take a look, I would like to introduce myself here. My name is Vamsi Thatikonda, and I currently work for Chewy, which is also a pet online retailer. I have 14 years of experience working in data science and machine learning roles. My career has focused on leveraging data to solve complex business problems and create an impact. Outside of work, I have several creative passions that I pursue. I love to travel and experience new cultures. So, without any ado, let's talk about AI. So, what are we talking here? Leaders like Amazon, Walmart, Chewy are effectively using AI and machine learning to enhance the shopping experience and streamline the operations. AI is being used in e commerce for personalization, recommendations, chatbots, fraud detection, inventory and supply chain, and many more. This is driving business results and financial rewards. Let's overview some of the main AI applications and benefits like pricing optimizations, personalized recommendations, chatbots, etc. So, what is AI? As you know, AI stands for artificial intelligence. Now, with widespread purposes in and implications for modern life, AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that were once the domains of humans alone, like learning, reasoning, perception, problem solving. These things that formerly needed our gray matter to achieve now can be done through computers, typically which is faster than we would able to do them to and with far less margin of error. So how to use artificial intelligence in e-commerce and how I did that. AI can interpret and analyze data, and these interpretations can make decisions. Then you can take actions on those decisions, which is a skill set that makes it ideal for applications in e-commerce. So how can you harness the speed, simplicity, seamlessness of AI to change the way your e-commerce business operates? Let's take a look. E-commerce leaders like Amazon and Walmart are leveraging sophisticated machine algorithms to analyze customer data, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, and demographics. This would determine individual preferences and the intent. This also allows retailers to provide highly customized product suggestions, promotions, and media recommendations for each shopper. Do you know over 35% of Amazon revenue is reported to come from recommendations engines? To join this list, Netflix and Spotify also rely heavily on AI for recommendations. By tailoring the shopping experience, retailers can increase average order value, customer satisfaction, and the loyalty. Shoppers like me appreciate a more relevant experience. For example, the products that you see on the screen is more related to what I search every day because I recently had a baby than a different product which is not useful or not related to what I want to look. This is something I built last year at Chewy, which is personalized recommendation based on pet profile and the product the customer is looking at. When it comes to running an e-commerce business, pricing your products can be one of the toughest tasks that you'll face, especially if you're new to the game and don't have an established market or product. Fortunately here, AI can help. AI algorithms analyze several factors including your competitors' prices, your inventory levels, and current demand to price your products dynamically. AI dynamic pricing means adjusting prices in real time according to the current market factors. For example, if the demand is low and stock is high, price might go down. If it's the opposite, they are going up along with your profits. On top of dynamic pricing, AI can also help optimize your pricing. This involves analyzing historical sales data, chewing over patterns and trends, and spitting out the optimal price for your product. Ever wondered, with these AI enabled figures, you will be able to figure it out the price point that generates the most sales without losing any customers through overpricing your products? Ever wondered why the cheap flight you saw a week ago is never quite as affordable as it was last time you looked? Yep, that's dynamic pricing at work. Let's talk about another use case, customer service and virtual assistants, and how they are empowering conversational interfaces. When your customer has a query, be it about a product they've bought or one they're considering buying, they want answers and they want it very fast. 52% of customers, in fact, prefer companies that offer live chat assistance. And if it's 24 by 7, even better. But of course, paying someone to provide around the clock online customer service is not always feasible, especially if you're running a small business. When would you eat? When would you sleep? And when would you go to the restroom? Well, AI does none of these things, which is why virtual assistants such as Amazon Alexa or Apple Siri and chatbots have become so popular. Chatbots use NLP to replicate the service experience your customer would have through a live chat tool, and everything is all automated. A chatbot can interpret the customer's request, understand their problem, and provide a response, whether that's directing them to support article, asking for further information, or offering a solution then and there. What? AI in e-commerce? Yes, it's time to start the conversation. AI in e-commerce does not only benefit your product, pricing, and customer care. It can also boost the logistics of your e-commerce business operations. That is, how you order, where is the store, and ship your inventory to your customers. In terms of your logistics, AI can help your e-commerce business. One example is optimizing your shipping routes. Taking into account factors like distance, weather, traffic, and delivery deadlines, AI can help you slash delivery times and transportation costs. Another use case is forecast more effectively. By analyzing market trends and sales data, AI can predict future demand for stock, helping you place better orders, reduce the ill effects of out of stocks, and improve the efficiency of your supply chain. Now, how you manage your space? You can get this by gripping with your e-commerce warehouse data. For example, your inventory levels and order fulfillment rates. AI can streamline your warehouse operations, reducing costs, speeding up fulfillment, minimizing dead storage space, and boosting your bottom line. These days, winning customers is not simply about marketing, it's about remarketing. Selling the product to customers again, and again. It's about using a set of strategies to engage people who may have interacted with your brand and lure them back into your business ecosystem. And yes, you've guessed it right, AI can help here as well. As we know now, some of AI's remarketing strengths are product recommendations, dynamic pricing, chatbots, which we have already discussed. But there is a couple more I would like to bring onto the table. The first, predictive modeling. Here, AI crunches customer data to predict which of your customers is most likely to make a purchase, and most importantly, when. The second, retargeting. AI marketing tools can help you identify customers who have abandoned their cart in a previous session with your site. This will allow you to re engage with them with an ad, an email, or a deal or a discount tailored uniquely to them. Alright, what are the benefits of using AI in e commerce? We have seen some strategies and examples of AI in e commerce. But is it right for your e commerce business? Let's whiz through the benefits of AI. The first one, a personalized business approach. AI can analyze your customers' behavior preferences and purchase history to recommend the products that are most relevant to their needs. The second one, a high quality customer experience. With chatbots answering queries and providing 24 by 7 support, AI can really improve your customer experience. The third one is a more secure way to sell online. AI can identify fraudulent transactions and stop them from happening. This will safeguard your customers' data and protect you from financial and reputational risk of chargebacks and customer disputes. The next one is a more effective marketing trust. AI can optimize your marketing campaigns, figuring out the best channels, the timing, and messaging for engaging your customers. The next one is AI hands off style. With AI doing all the stuff that you don't want or don't have time to do, you will be able to focus on what matters. For example, growing your business. The last one, boost in Google's rankings. By using AI keyword research tools to optimize the content on your site, you can give your e commerce SEO a leg up and rise to the summit of the search engine's results pages. So now you know what AI can do and why you need it. Let's explore our top 5 tips as how you can introduce it to your e-commerce business. The first one, define your AI goals. First up, you need to understand which areas of your e-commerce business stand to benefit most from AI. Is it operations, marketing, or the customer service? This will help you understand where to start in your AI journey and which arms of your e-commerce business to prioritize. The second one, choose the right AI solution. With your goals and pain points identified, do your research and pick the AI tool that works best for you. The third tip is start small and work up. Going in guns blazing with a blanket AI rollout is not a good idea. You need to start small. Testing, tweaking, and tuning up your AI solutions in a controlled environment. This way, you can get a handle on any issues early on and know about them before your customers do. The fourth tip, ensure your AI tool plays well with others. As the new kid on the block, your AI tool needs to integrate with the systems, such as your CRM, your marketing tools, and your inventory management software, which are already underpinning your e-commerce business success. And the final one, always iterate and optimize. As we have touched on already, AI is a constant process. Not one of you can simply set and forget. You need to continuously feed it the data to get the most out of it and monitor it and make sure it's performing at its peak. In conclusion, AI is still a topic that divides opinion. Some love it and some hate it. For others, it's a thing that to be feared and loathed in equal measure. But for e-commerce business owners, AI should represent one thing above all else, its excitement. After all, the possibilities of AI in e-commerce are already thrilling. From chatbots and remarketing to smarter logistics and pricing optimizations and evolving every day. The future of e-commerce is here. And do you know what? It's just 2 letters. All you have to do is embrace them.